Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the significance of asteroscope reading as well as how to use the report, the asteroscope life purpose report, to course correct and live a very happy, healthy, prosperous life. Asteroscope life purpose report is a 7 to 8 pages report covering 4 aspects of your life which are not covered anywhere, not even in your astrological horoscope. Those aspects are your karmic path in this lifetime, previous lifetimes baggage or karmic debts that you're carrying, soul purpose for which you have incarnated, and the wounds which can prevent you from identifying your soul purpose or living a life of success, happiness, love, harmony, peace, etc. It can give you answers about why are you stuck in your career, relationship, marriage, why is your health not improving, why few people don't trust you, why you are always cheated, maybe somebody doesn't listen to you, etc. Firstly, understand, since 2012, there's a huge leap about asking questions regarding karma, purpose of life, transformation. Curiosity is about venturing into the unknown, knowing about death and after death events, etc. That is because there is a dimensional change happening at the earth plane. All this dimensional change is what is covered through or is activated through our soul chakra, about which I do talk about in my 5th dimensional healing course in detail. Secondly, also know that if you have started thinking on these above topics, then it's time for you to decipher and identify your soul purpose and get your asteroscope life purpose reading. Moreover, to understand and apply the instructions and guidances or channeled messages of the asteroscope life purpose report, your readiness, seriousness and sincerity is mandatory. The process of application can be slow or fast depending upon individuals, but it's worth it, because with each step you are moving closer to your soul purpose, the real you and the divine. The report contains various do's and don'ts in very simple English language, along with divinely channeled message at the end of the report, which is for the next 49 days, just to support you in following the guidances of the report. The report has messages which are very deep, so I'll also explain how to go about to be able to fully utilize your report and the do's and don'ts. Let me tell you why I chose 49 days message to be included in your asteroscope life purpose report. That's because in most of the cultures worldwide, there are 2 milestones in a person's life after death. First 49 days and first 100 days. That is because during these first 49 and first 100 days, the soul transmigrates and moves into higher dimensions. This dimensional information is also furnished in detail in the previously told course, which is the 5th dimensional healing course. So including 49 days channeled message is actually symbolic of this transformation of life phase or your rebirth. So basically, from the older version, which is miserable, confused, not able to take a decision, has low confidence, etc., you moving towards a newer version of your own self, which is greater and better, well connected to soul and divine. Always remember, you are never alone. You might not be able to see or feel, but the divine is always there, ready to extend hands of helping hands towards you so that you can catch hold of it and really move forward on your soul journey. That is why I said your readiness, sincerity and seriousness is very important. Now let's understand how should you begin following your Asteroscope Life Purpose Report, which is your GPS or map of this lifetime, and the various choices that you should be making. Please read the report only after quietening your heart and mind. Many a times when we get a report, we are very much in our enthusiasm or curiosity to know what is written there. We read it from a very different mindset. But Asteroscope Life Purpose Report, as I said, is a very deep meaning report. So please quieten your mind and then read. Try to understand whatever you are able to in the first go. Read it again. Pick 2 or 3 do's and 2 and 3 don'ts. Make a list of that and follow that for the next 3 weeks. The whole idea is to go slow and bring about a steady and continuous change in your life. Single-mindedly focus and find out ways how can you follow the chosen 2 or 3 do's and what you need to avoid for these 3 weeks. And then take a review of the channeled message at the end of the report, as well as the complete Asteroscope Life Purpose Report, just to see how far have you come in these 3 weeks. And then again, pick another 2 or 3 do's and don'ts, make a list of it, find out ways how you can apply that, what you need to avoid, what steps can you take, put that effort, that single-minded focus, and consciously making that effort, keeping those pointers in your mind will really help you to put that into action. Do it again for another 3 weeks and take a review once again. So repeat this cycle. It's your path, so no one else is going to tell you how you should find out ways to do those simple things. If at all it is about controlling your ego or playing with children or giving time to family, or it can be as simple as listening to music or simple meditation. Nobody else will tell you how to do it. You have to find out your unique way of doing that, which will help you heal your energy and and course correct, as well as connect you back to your soul, so that you are a completely transformed version of you in the next 3 to 4 months, somewhere around in your first 100 days. A newer version can really take form. I have received reviews and feedbacks from few of the people who have got their Asteroscope Life Purpose Report, and in just the first trial of around 2 or 3 weeks, magnanimously they have been able to report healing of their energy, and not just that, they have also seen peace, courage, support and trust of their loved ones, protection, newer opportunities, newer ideas, improvement in their career, improvement in their health, money matters, etc. These are very common feedbacks that I have received from these people. Here, please remember that Asteroscope Life Purpose Report is your GPS for this lifetime. So don't forget to keep coming back to it and refer it before you take any major decisions of your life. So let's not waste any more time in knowing the path, choices, the purpose, etc. Because if you miss this opportunity now, you're going against the reason of your incarnation. Asteroscope Life Purpose Report gives you a lifetime opportunity to course correct and change your destiny, which has got stuck in the spiral of unnecessary karmic patterns, which you yourself have woven for yourself by not avoiding what you were supposed to avoid and not doing what you were supposed to do. Let's collectively move forward towards our ascension and being one with the divine. Please note, the report is not to please you or give you your desired answers. It will only talk truth of your soul journey and your life. We human beings, if we sincerely work towards something and put our efforts towards something, we will definitely get it. That powerful our soul and subconscious mind is. The terms and conditions is, are you connected to your soul? Are you connected to your subconscious mind and ready to use these weapons? If this resonates with you, kindly confirm your interest on info@mysteriousbox.co.in. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed, everybody. Bye-bye.